We'll discuss about that different tools and property of the animate CC. Now here I am going to start the animate CC. See the steps. First of all, click on the start. After clicking the start, here see here the animate CC and click over here, and when we click on the animate CC it will be open, and after opening this animate CC we can see the different tools which we are going to use today. Okay, see here it's opening. When the animate CC is open, here we can see that first of all it asks that to create the new files, and here we have to click on the new file to create the file. Okay, in the left hand side we see the option will appear. Okay, now see here create new file. First of all we have to click on the this option. Okay, and we can create from the template. So template means what is that? It is a predefined. Okay, just it has already done. Just if you want to see that, let us to see the create from the template. Okay, now we just for the practical way we are going to view this. What is the create from template? You don't have any template, leads to the template or the gets started. Okay, this is the option for to. Okay, we have to import, and it's I think this is the option to browse from the online. Okay, this is the option for the browsing the online. If you have any download the templates, we can import in the animate CC and we can use it. Okay, okay, we are going to click on, we are going to cancel this option and we are going to click on the create new. When we click on this option, the see here the files will open. Now we are going to discuss about the different tools and property of the animate CC and menu bar. First of all we are going to discuss about the menu bar. See here, this is the file, edit, view, modify, timeline, window, helps. These are the menu. Okay, menu bar we can say that. And this is the file option. In the file option we can see that new file, open, close, close all, save, save as, and save as a template. Okay, these all options are here, but importantly we have to can import the template from the other files and folder also, and exit ka matlab we have to going to close this completely now. Okay, next option is that edit. In that edit option we can view that undo, redo, cut, copy, paste and paste special, duplicate, select, transform, delete and keyboard shortcut. These are the options present in the edit menu. And view menu. In the view menu we are going to see that zoom in, zoom out, actual size, ruler. See here sometimes we disappear. When the disappear the rules, okay, then see here the ruler has been disappear. If you want to bring next, here click on it, the ruler will appear. Okay, and guide, snap to guide, these all options are available here. Next is that modify. In modify option we can arrange the text within the any type of box appear. For example, that if you are going to create the rectangular box, and if you write the text inside the rectangular box and that text is the hidden behind the rectangular box, then we can bring it from by the help of this arrange, alignment, distributes also, and these options. And next is timeline. Timeline is used to play and stop the project. Okay, where from where we have to start, go to the start, go to the end, means it is used to play your projects. Now window, it is the most important feature to hide and enable the tools. Suppose that if you are going to hide all these things, okay, timeline, see here the timeline option has been disappeared. Okay, and sometimes we see that the tools available in there, it is disappear, and if you are then if you don't know how to brought them back to the tools, then simply we click on the window, and here we are going to which tools, okay, timeline appear, and again we are going to click on the elements. The elements will be appear here, and again we are going to click on the tools. See here the drawing tools will be available here. So see here these tools has been appear. Okay, this is the way how we can appear and hide and show the tools. Okay, now we are going to see the some example. Suppose that if you are going to draw the rectangle, see here, okay, wait, now see the rectangle has been created, and in this rectangle if you want to fill the color, then we have to go for in the color option, and we have to click over here. When we click over here, the color box will appear. Okay, see here this color box will appear. If you want to fill this red, then we can fill here, means any color if you want to fill that, we can fill over here. Okay, now if you want to draw the another box, another means from here, okay, we are going to click the text, then click here, and now here we can write here whatever we write that. Okay, RE, okay, it has been disappear. Okay, click here, RECTANGLE, rectangle box. Okay, BOX box. Okay, see here this text has been appear, and we can drag and drop anywhere. Okay, and this is your first project. Okay, and in the next video we'll learn the more option about the Animate CC, how we can draw, how we can fill the color, how we can crop the images. Okay, in the next video we'll discuss about these all the functions. Okay, thank you student.